This is our French door system. This would take the place of an existing opening, existing French door or bifold door. We can swing these in or out. We can lock these also with the electromagnet lock. We can customize them to suit your needs. That has a friction catch on it. We suggest the electromagnet lock, but we can also put a key lock on these if you're not worried about security. We can make these look like anything you want them to be as well. We can go up to 6 feet wide and 8 foot tall with this door.
Is this a hidden room door system as well?
It is. We can hide a closet or a bedroom, theater room. We hide a lot of theaters with these because of the width, and it gives you more clear opening to walk through.
Okay. Are these for use in a home or business?
Both. We've installed them in businesses, homes, malls.
These can be used to protect valuables, can be used to protect firearms.
Safes. Probably 40% of the doors we install are covering a safe.
Okay.
We can bulletproof these doors to a 44 Magnum.
Oh my goodness, awesome.
That's a large handgun.
And these are fully customizable hidden doors and rooms?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Built to the customer's specifications?
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.